How to fix your Justice watch page is not working on your Walmart website on your browser. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel again, and let's start this video without any further delay. What you have to do is simply open your Walmart on your browser in front of you, and on the home page you will see that this is the basic Walmart website, and I will go to the product section and search for Justice watch gallery. Here, as you can see, there is a lot of Justice watch products. Justice watches for girls, for men's, for unisex, and you can also see the prices. You can click on a watch and then you can simply order it from the order menu. But if this menu is not working and you want to fix it, then how you can do it? Firstly, we just have to make sure that we are connected to a better network connection, because these type of error usually occurs whenever our network is weak or there is no sufficient data in our network space. Now, this is the product page. Click on the add card option once you finish refreshing your laptop, clicking on the flight mode, or you can also restart your PC. After this, you won't face any error like this. Thank you so much for watching the video.